Got some gravy here today. EK Civic 98. I'm going to do a radiator and a valve cover gasket, upper and lower radiator hoses. These things are so easy. I can't believe somebody is paying me to do this. Pretty much 10mm screwdriver and a pair of pliers, you could do this job. So away I go. Am I rolling? I'm rolling. Okay, you want to carefully take these spark plug wires off. Once in a while they break. Give them a little twist first. That gets all the rubber off, unstuck from the spark plugs. Then just yank them straight up. I don't mark them. It's pretty obvious where they go. Well, it's obvious to me. If you feel like marking them, go right ahead. Yeah, I'll get a good look at this timing belt too. I actually looked at this car for this person. He bought it. I looked at a bunch of cars with him, and then he finally bought this one. And he said the timing belt was done not too long ago, but I'm going to look at it anyways and make sure now that this is going to be off. Yeah, it's just 5 10mm bolts. I can't believe somebody would need to watch a video on this personally. It's just that easy. Pry it up a little bit. Should just come straight up. You should have some gasket sealant in these corners you want to scrape off. Okay, now you want to get these rubbers out of here, which are hard as a rock. You can go from the other side and hammer them out of here if you want. See how I did that? These little bends in here, they should just pop right out now. These bolts are nice and stuck. Just give them a good whack. What you want to do with these when they're hard as a rock is you just grab a pair of pliers, just give it a tug and separate these two, and just get a side cutters or something and cut it in half. That comes out and this comes out. Okay, now these are tricky. Now with these, what I'm going to do is stick them in a hole like this. I got a 13mm deep well socket. I just put it on like this. Just hammer the thing through. See? That's fine. Now people can make the mistake of putting these in backwards. See, they go this way. So when you put it on the valve cover, it looks like that. A lot of times you just go in by hand. You don't need to pound them in. You just press them in with your thumbs. You're just going to want to kind of clean this groove out a little bit here. And you just want to get a little bit of brake cleaner. I don't know, you can use your girlfriend's fingernail polish remover too. Put a little on the rag. You just want to clean these four corners. You want to do this so a gasket sealant sticks really good to these corners. You want to get some silicone sealant of some kind. I use Ultra Gray Permatex. Pretty much anything will work. You just want to goop up these four corners really good. Put this on ever so gently. You got to watch these spark plug holes and make sure they go on real nice. There, I got them. Start in the center, work your way out. After I bottom them out, I just give them a little tweak. And there,